Get a glowing skin with a super crunchy, super healthy, super quick and easy, super tasty, spicy snack made with carrots but tastes so good. Super addictive but super good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, grate 3 carrots. Next, pour a quarter cup of tahini into a bowl, along with a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and some pepper. Mix it until smooth. And combine it with the carrots. Now spread them onto a baking sheet and bake them at 400 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. And enjoy a super crunchy and super healthy snack!